Hello, welcome back to Food and Nutrition Expert channel. Today, topic is digestion. Remember, this is still SS1 first time notes. This is the second to the last note. We are on digestion. Lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to, number one, define digestion, explain its importance to the body. Number two, identify the major parts of the alimentary canal involved in digestion. Number three, describe the role of the mouth, stomach, duodenum, and small intestine in the digestion of food. Number four, list the enzymes involved in digestion and state their functions. Number five, the students should be able to explain the role of hydrochloric acid and bile in digestion. Number six, the student should be able to describe how digested food is absorbed in the bloodstream. Now, digestion, the digestive system, that is what we are discussing today, the digestive system. The food taken into our body requires some kind of alteration before it can be absorbed in the bloodstream. Now, what is digestion? Digestion is the process by which food molecules are broken down into smaller, simpler substances that can be absorbed into the bloodstream and assimilated into the body cells for utilization. Digestion is mainly a chemical process brought about by the action of enzymes, although it also involves physical and chemical processes. Can you see, digestion of food is not a day thing. The whole process of digestion takes place in the alimentary canal, which is a long tube running through the body. Digestion occurs in four major sections: the mouth, the stomach, the duodenum, and small intestine. Now, I'm going to explain the mouth. Number one, the mouth, where digestion takes place. In the mouth, food is chewed, that is masticated, and broken down into smaller particles by the teeth. It is mixed and softened with saliva, which is secreted by the salivary glands. Now, saliva contains mucin. Mucin helps to lubricate the food and make swallowing easier. Now, we have ptyalin, the salivary amylase. This ptyalin begins the chemical digestion of starch, converting it into maltose. The saliva also provides an alkaline medium necessary for the action of ptyalin. Now, digestion also takes place in the stomach. Let me now explain the stomach, the digestion that takes place in the stomach. The stomach, that's number two. The stomach secretes gastric juice, which is acidic due to the presence of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid performs three main functions. It performs three main functions in digestion. Number one, hydrochloric acid stops the action of ptyalin from the mouth. Number two, hydrochloric acid provides the acidic medium necessary for the action of the enzymes renin in fats, helps curdle milk, and pepsin breaks down proteins into peptides. Number three, hydrochloric acid helps to destroy harmful bacteria that might have entered with the food. Number three, the duodenum. The duodenum, from the stomach, the partially digested food passes into the duodenum. That is the first part of the small intestine. Two important secretions are added here. Bile, from the liver stored in the gallbladder, released through the bile ducts, contains no enzyme, emulsifies fats and oils, breaking them into tiny droplets to increase surface area for enzyme action. You see what the bile does? Then we have the pancreatic juice. from the pancreas contains enzymes that act as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Enzymes that act on carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The enzymes in pancreatic juice include, number 1, we have amylase, that is converts starch into maltose. Number 2, we have trypsin. It converts proteins into peptides and peptones. We have lipase. It breaks down fat into fatty acids and glycerol. Number 4, we have the small intestine, that's ileum. The ileum. The walls of the small intestine secrete intestinal juice, that's succus entericus, which contains additional enzymes to complete digestion. Maltose converts maltose into glucose. Maltase converts maltose into glucose. Lactase converts lactose into glucose and galactose. Sucrase, that's invertase, converts sucrose into glucose and fructose. Peptidases converts peptides into amino acid. The digested food is then absorbed through the finger-like projections called villi into the bloodstream for transport to various parts of the body. A lot of things happen when we eat a particular food. I want you to watch these notes again so that you can understand how digestion takes place in the body. See you in the next class, which will be our last topic for SS1 first term food and nutrition.